Guys! Dito na naman kami ng aking alaga. Ayan. Habang naglilinis ako ng CR, dyan nakabantay sa akin. Ano siya? Pero behave lang naman siya because he's listening to me, whatever I said. Kaya hindi siya makulit. Say to everyone, hi, Oscar. Hi! Oscar! Look at the camera, Oscar. Oscar. Look at the camera, baby. Yellow. He's shy. Oscar. Yellow, look at the camera. Oh, okay. He's waiting for me.